Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm really proud of myself that I'm getting this video done in time because I'm going out of town this weekend and I was like, when in the world am I ever going to shoot this video? So I ended up waking up super early this morning in order to get this video done. But with that being said, I wanted to do a review on my gimbal. I know I've been getting a lot of questions in the past, just what kind of gimbal that I use, do I recommend it, you know, just all of that good stuff. So I wanted to show you the gimbal that I got. So I've only had this I got it this past Christmas, so not too long, a couple months, and I absolutely love it though. And I know when I was deciding if I wanted to get this gimbal, I was looking at the GoPro version of a gimbal, and I ended up going with this one just because of the price point. The GoPro gimbal, I believe, is about like $299 or something like that. And then weirdly enough, at the time, this gimbal was only $199. Now I'm seeing it online for $279, something crazy. So I don't know if I just ended up getting it on sale or if they upped their prices. I have no idea, but anyways, that's what I paid for it at the time. But I just have the Freevision gimbal right here, and I really like this one because it just feels really solid, like a good solid build. And that's something that's very important when it comes to a gimbal because, as we know, it depends on what you're doing with this. For me, I'm strapping on myself when I go mountain biking, and there's always that high risk of a crash, and I definitely want this to be able to hold up. And I have had maybe like 2 crashes with this, and it's been just merry and great. So a few things: it comes in this hard shell case right here. It's not really a hard shell, it's kind of like a soft hard shell case, but just a really nice case. I'm really pleased with just everything, their overall, you know, packaging. I've just been really pleased with everything. But anyways, it comes with this right here, and then it also has a little handle right here in case you want to do that. And then on the inside, I just have some more straps and everything if you want to wear it as like a cross body thing. I don't know why you would, but you have that option. And then it also comes with this, which is really great. So this actually, you can dismount it to have it as a wearable gimbal, or if you want to have it as a handheld, you can attach this. So the cool thing about this is that this is its own battery, and then this base right here is its own battery, obviously, so you can wear it. This right here, I want to say, I don't know the exact time it'll stay charged, but I want to say it stays charged maybe for like 40 minutes or so. So not a really long time, but the good thing about this is you can grab your external, like a Mophie or something like that, and you are able to plug it up to a Mophie. That way it can continue charging. But then with the handheld, this has a couple of hours of battery time in it. I noticed when I was using this versus that, I mean, this lasts for a very long time. So yeah, this is just a really nice added bonus if you want to shoot any content, if you're following someone, whatever the case may be, just to get some really nice shots with this. So I have the GoPro Hero 4, which I love. And so it has a really nice mode where you can lock it. A lot of times when I'm wearing it, I don't feel like putting it back in my backpack. I'll just wear it like this with it just locked in place. So it's cool because you can lock it in place like that, and then just to unlock it, you just go like that and it's unlocked. Some other cool features that it has is it's able to auto calibrate, so it'll automatically put itself back in place. If for whatever reason you're wanting to get a different angle, it has a joystick down at the bottom, so you're able to, you know, angle it however you like. For me personally, I'll never even use the joystick because I'll just manually position it how I want. That's also another option that you can do with it, which is something I just prefer. It's just easier. You just quickly grab it and position it how you want. So I do that most of the time. I honestly don't have any complaints about this gimbal. One thing that I was really concerned with, that I heard that a lot of people run into, the issue of it not being able to put itself back into position. So if you're, say for instance, mountain biking and you know, you take a sharp turn and whip it back around, a lot of times it'll still be looking over to the right and it'll slowly come back in place. But I've noticed with this, it quickly moves back in place. One other thing that I do want to say, it also has this, because that was like another thing that I was concerned about, was losing my GoPro somehow attached to this, but it has this really nice lock feature right here where you can just tighten it on and the thing is not going anywhere. I have been loving it. I've been wearing it a lot. It's great. I have, like I said, no complaints out of it. It just gives you that great smooth footage. Anyways, that is my review on the Freevision gimbal right here. I'll put the link down below if you guys are interested in checking it out. Like I said, definitely recommend. Also, if you guys have any suggestions on lens caps, I don't know what would work with this, but I just get so paranoid leaving the lens exposed like this that somehow it's going to scratch or something like that, and I don't know what would really be the solution for having it on this gimbal, like something to be able to cover that, because yeah, it makes it a little more complicated having it on a gimbal to put some kind of cover. But if any of you guys know any solutions with that, maybe if you have a gimbal and you have some kind of cover, let me know in the comments down below. If you guys have any questions at all, leave them in the comments below and I'll make sure to answer them. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and bye!